something inside that I can't ignore.
Hi guys, so it's Monday. Happy second week of Vlogmas. Welcome back to another vlog. It's freezing in my house even though I have my heat on right now, so I'm literally working and doing some emails next to my fireplace. We're gonna go get some pizza in a second for lunch, and I will show you guys. This pizza is amazing. I'll insert a clip right here when we go. They do have a tent outside, so we're allowed to eat outside there. It's so good. It's called Vivio's. If you're in Michigan, it's off like 12 and Ryan. It's amazing. Tonight when we get back home, I'm going to make Hannah Ann's lemon chicken pasta. She's from The Bachelorette. If you guys haven't watched that, I'll leave the recipe linked down below. I'm sure it's gonna be so good. I love anything like lemony, so I'm gonna make that tonight. And then I have my manager slash best friend's birthday tonight, and we're just going to her house, so we're gonna do that. So I'll probably talk to you guys later. I'm not gonna vlog when I go there just because it's gonna be a lot of people, and I mean, I'm trying to have some fun, you know. So today in Michigan, our governor just extended restaurants and bars to be closed for another 12 days. So we're gonna be unemployed through Christmas. So it's just a sad day. Everyone's in like really bad spirits here that works in the restaurant industry. If you guys work in the restaurant industry and you're struggling as well, give this video a thumbs up because I feel you. So we're just gonna have some drinks, party with my staff and my manager and my best friend, and just have some fun. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, so I didn't vlog all day because I look like this. We partied last night, let's just say that. But okay, so we're making that pasta, the chicken lemon pasta that I was talking about. So all you're gonna need is some chicken breasts, butter, flour, chicken broth, red pepper flakes, salt, pepper, cheese. I'm using mozzarella and parmesan, spinach, and lemons. So I'm boiling my water right now for the noodles, and then I'm gonna start cooking. Okay, so while I have the chicken cooking, I just put olive oil, some butter, and lemons in a pan, and I'm just gonna let the lemons get really soft and mix that around. And then I'm gonna add in the rest of the stuff once the chicken is cooked, add the pasta, and when we get the noodles going, I'm gonna whisk. I put the chicken broth and the flour in here, red pepper flakes, salt, pepper, lemon, butter, olive oil. It's gonna be good. I might add a little more butter though, because why not? I added all the noodles and it's pretty much ready. I'm just gonna mix it all, add some more seasoning and stuff. I definitely recommend using a bigger pan, but this is the biggest one that I had. And I'll show you guys what it looks like all plated.
In your arms,
Hi guys, so it's the next day today, and I have a little try-on haul for you. You can get their products on Amazon. They have the cutest stuff. Super affordable, and I have like 6 or so pieces to share with you guys, and I think you're gonna love them. I'll have the link down below in the description box for you guys, but I wanted to show everything to you. So this is the first set. It's this really pretty jogger set. It's got the sweatpants. They're really stretchy and comfortable. I have a size medium in both of these, so it's just the matching set. And it's really good quality. I love this color. I believe they have other tie-dye colors too. I know tie-dye is really in style right now, so I picked this up. This is the next loungewear set I have. It's kind of like this knitted material. I got the color gray, and again, super stretchy. I got a medium on both of these. They're a little big. I probably could have done a small because I feel like this does run a little wide, but these are adjustable on the pants, so they still work, and this is super cozy to lay around in. Next, this is probably my favorite item. It has pockets. It's this little fuzzy pullover cardigan. It also has, if I can find it, a hood. And I don't know if you guys can tell, probably not in this lighting, but it's actually like tie-dyed white and green. It's so soft, so comfy. These are like my favorite things to wear right now, so this is definitely like one of my favorite things. Then I also have that same thing in this really pretty like light gray color. Again, this one has pockets too and a hood as well. I just really love these. They're so easy when you're like running errands and you want to be warm and cozy when you take your jacket off, to wear with like leggings. I'm just wearing it with like a white t-shirt underneath. Love it. Lastly, I have this gorgeous sleek black blazer. I forgot to mention this is in a medium, as well as every single item that I purchased from them. It's really a nice fit. I obviously would not wear this with leggings and a white t-shirt, but I would probably wear it with like tights and shorts and some cute booties, maybe like a little beret. I think this is really cute. I love the detailing on the inside too. It has like little polka dots. It's really, really nice. It has like the padded shoulders too, so it fits really well and I love it. So if you guys want to check them out, I will have all of these things, links to everything on the website, on Amazon, linked down below in the description box. They're just from different apparel brands on Amazon, so when I have the links down below, you guys can see the exact brand because they're not all from the same brand. Just wanted to clarify that. That's mine. Good morning. Yes, I'm still in the same outfit that I was wearing yesterday in the try-on haul. It was just so comfy and it was like a lazy Friday, so I just lounged around and I actually slept in it. Ooh, my highlight on my nose though. Right now I'm just like doing some like planning, I guess. I'm planning like my side business. I'm planning my week for next week. My parents are coming over on Monday, so I have to like get the house ready and clean up and stuff. I do work tonight, so I'll be kind of absent from the vlog tonight. But yeah, how are you guys? Let me know down below in the comments how you guys are doing, if you enjoy these vlogs, how your Christmas is going. Okay, if you guys can see, this eyelash is giving me such a problem. I just did my makeup for the day, and you know when your eyelid gets like really, really white, or really, really wet, and it just won't stick in the corner? That's what's happening to me right now. It's so annoying. But yeah, I'm just cleaning up the house, planning my week, doing some computer work, answering some emails. I do have something fun to show you guys though. Since it is the 12th, I'm doing, like I showed you in the last vlog, we're doing 12 days of Christmas with bath bombs. I have like an advent calendar, so let's go open the first one. So if you didn't see my last vlog, this is the advent calendar. I got it off of Amazon. It says Fizzle all the way, and it's a bath bomb advent calendar. So I think you just start with, obviously today is the 12th, so we're gonna open this one and see what we get. If I could get it out, holy crap. Now I kind of understand why this advent calendar was so cheap, because it doesn't even tell you what kind of bath bomb it is. But this is a pink sparkly one, so I'm probably gonna take a bath tomorrow night when I'm not working, and I'll use this one, but they're like little mini bath bombs. So this is a pink sparkly one. Like I said, I wonder like what it does or what flavor, I guess. Scent. This is also such a hot mess, you guys. I'm gonna start wrapping probably tomorrow too. I showed you guys this wrapping paper in the last vlog too. I can't wait to use it, but this is just a mess. I have to go get some more tags too, because I literally only have like these two. I'm so not prepared. Today is Saturday. Tomorrow I have one of my friends' birthday parties. We're just going to her house since everything's like closed down right now. We're going to her house and like gonna watch football and everything, and I wanted to bring something. I personally don't really like Oreos. I know, crazy, but I got these Pillsbury Oreo cookies with Oreo pieces, like cookie dough pieces on top, so I'm gonna make those to bring for them tomorrow. And so I'm just gonna set the oven to 350, and then I'm just gonna bake them for, how much does it say? These are like the easiest cookies ever to make. Bake them for 14 to 16 minutes, so 14 minutes because I like them really chewy. Okay guys, so I just took the cookies out of the oven and I kind of think these were a fail. Look how huge they are. What are these? Why do they look like that? I'm so embarrassed to even bring them. What are these? I feel like that should be in the normal cookie because I took half and ate the cookie dough. And these, I don't know what the heck those are. I really hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas week 2. Give me some feedback in the comments. Give it a thumbs up if you do enjoy this and you want to see more. I love you guys and I will talk to you guys soon.